Hey friends, welcome to Falcon Finds, your go-to spot for unique, useful, and trending gadgets. Don't forget to subscribe for weekly finds that can change your daily life.
Meet the EWA-A106 Pro, a pocket-sized Bluetooth speaker with surprisingly big sound, crystal clear audio, custom bass radiator, and a sleek, minimalist design. Waterproof, travel-ready, and comes with a hard case and metal hook. Perfect for your shower, bike, room, or road trips. Small in size, powerful in performance, the EWA-A106 Pro. Number 2, we have the KITCHNEED Mini Bag Sealer, a 2-in-1 sealer and cutter that's compact, rechargeable, and super easy to use. Just press to seal or cut, no preheating needed. Perfect for keeping snacks fresh and cutting down food waste. On number 3, we have the 4-in-1 cordless car vacuum, a powerful 20,000 PA mini cleaner that vacuums, blows, inflates, and even dries. Lightweight, rechargeable, and packed with 7 versatile attachments. Perfect for your car, home, office, or even camping trips. Product 4, JOYHILL 5-gallon water bottle dispenser. Need an easy way to get water from those heavy gallon bottles? The JOYHILL USB water bottle dispenser is your answer. It fits 3 and 5-gallon bottles, and the 2.16-inch neck design works with most jugs. No need to pry off the cap. Made with food-grade silicone, stainless steel, and non-toxic ABS plastic. It's safe and built to last. One-touch operation makes it super easy to use, even for kids or seniors. Perfect for camping, your home, office, or kitchen. Just remember, use the included cable for charging. Avoid fast chargers to protect the port. Product 5. Elite Gourmet Easy Egg Cooker. Tired of guessing how long to boil eggs? The Elite Gourmet Easy Egg Cooker takes the guesswork out. Cook up to 7 eggs, soft, medium, or hard-boiled, with just the press of a button. It's faster than the stovetop and shuts off automatically when done. Use the included measuring cup, add water, and you're set. Perfect for dorms, small kitchens, or even the office. It's compact, BPA-free, and super easy to clean. Breakfast just got a whole lot easier. Product 6. Digital Measuring Spoon, 2-pack. Precision in the palm of your hand. This digital measuring spoon scale comes with a bright LCD display, easy to read, even in low light. It supports 5 units, grams, milliliters, cups, fluid ounces, and ounces. Just press the button to switch. With high-precision sensors, it measures from 1G to 800G, perfect for flour, spices, pet food, and more. The spoon detaches for easy cleaning and storage. Hang it up or take it on the go. Super convenient, smart, compact, and reliable. Your kitchen just got an upgrade. Product 7. Synergy Water Bottle and Pill Organizer. Stay healthy on the go with this 3-in-1 Synergy Water Bottle. It's a water bottle, pill organizer, and cup, all in one. With 7 labeled compartments, you can organize a full week of pills with ease. The pill section slides out for quick refills, and the cap doubles as a drinking cup. The lid snaps securely so no more spilled pills in your bag. Lightweight, BPA-free, and perfect for travel, gym, or daily use. Stay hydrated and on schedule, anywhere, anytime. Product 8. KOKUNST Portable Blender, 17 ounces. Blend anywhere with the KOKUNST Portable Blender. Its 6 sharp stainless steel blades spin at 22,000 RPM, perfect for smoothies and shakes in seconds. USB-C rechargeable with a clear LED battery display. Just charge, blend, and go. The safety lock system ensures it only works when properly sealed. With a 500 milliliters capacity and an extra handle lid, it's ideal for the gym, office, or travel. 1 long press blends and the included brush makes cleaning a breeze. Fresh blends wherever life takes you.